Here we go. That's what it looks like on the inside. Kind of before the pour. Getting it all secure and ready. Big old pump trucks here. Pretty exciting. There's the top. I'm sneaking up here real quick before they get started. That's going to be our safe room. Protect us from those nasty tornadoes. I'll just pray we don't ever get any. Alright, y'all. I'll come back when they start pouring. They're going to do that. And now that we got the post tension slab done, then we get to do this. They couldn't pour this the same time as they did the foundation due to the fact that they had to do the post tension slab. So they had to tighten the cables and such in here. So this will be our back patio. And I'm videoing this process due to the fact that my family out of state and out of town and my kids get to see this. They're not able to be here. My son's serving in the Air Force. He doesn't get to be here and see this. So this is why I'm videoing it, and YouTube's kind of my place where I document everything here, the restoration process of the farm. So it's not to say, oh, look at me, look at me. That's not it. It's really because my family has requested me to video it. So has a lot of my friends that are in town, and you know, a lot of people would like to see this, and that way we don't have to have a whole bunch of people out here. All right, y'all. I'll be back here in just a little bit.